Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to deep clean your Android phone storage in order to free up more storage space, delete junk file and cache file from your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for files on your Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on files right here. So go ahead and make sure you look for files. To click on files right here, and after you click on files, next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on this three slider from the top right here. Go ahead and click on that, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on clean right here. So click on clean. So once you click on clean, it's going to take you to all unnecessary files in your Android phone. So here we go, we have junk file right here. Because at the time of making this video, I have about 133 megabyte junk files that need to be cleaned and save enough storage space on my Android phone. So you can go ahead and simply click on clean right here, just like so. So once you click on clean, and then it's going to generate all the junk file and clean them out of your storage in your Android phone gallery. And this is going to pump up right here. Files by Google would like to clean some temporary files. This may result in an increased usage of battery or data cellular. Go ahead and click on clean right here. Junk file clear, just like so. So you can review and then delete as many as possible unnecessary files, even unused app right here, in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.